Dear friends and supporters, LifeBridge Foundation is excited to introduce our YouTube channel and content creation training program. In today's digital world, YouTube has become one of the most powerful platforms for learning, sharing, and earning. Through this program, we aim to empower youth and individuals with the skills needed to create their own YouTube channels, produce meaningful content, and reach a global audience. Participants will learn everything from video recording and editing to uploading and growing their channel. This training is not just about technology, it is about creating opportunities, building confidence, and opening doors for financial independence. It also gives a platform to share positive messages, skills, and the Word of God with the world. We humbly request your prayers and support as we continue to equip and uplift our community through such impactful initiatives. Thank you and God bless you all.